For any website owner, one of the worst nightmares you can have is discovering or being informed that your website has malicious files on it or in it. And for the most part, this is a major concern because your website could be your livelihood if it's an e-commerce site or whatever the case. You certainly don't want your website being tagged by Google for being malicious, which results in a lot of headaches. But in any case, sometimes these discoveries can be what we call a false positive. And in this case, I'm going to demonstrate a true false positive reading that I received in my own web development blog. So let's go deeper into this situation and see what I discovered. Now, this all started when I received a notification from a recent Wordfence scanning on my website that a malicious or unsafe file was detected. So going into my website and checking the results, this is what I found. Malware scan warning, and it even gives you the exact file and the location of where this malicious file was located. So that being the case, I wanted to look deeper into this situation, and this is what I discovered. So in closer examination of this particular malicious file, I opened up the detail icon and it gave me more information. It was basically a base 64 decode, and this particular type of file is most likely what we call obfuscated or encrypted file. So what I wanted to do is, Wordfence is pretty good because it gives you the exact location of this suspicious file. So what I plan to do is take a look at this file, download it, and open it up in my editor and see exactly what we have there. So let's take a look in our file manager and see where this file is located. WP content, let's go to the cache. All dev blog, and these are the cache files. And I apologize because after downloading the suspected folder and file, I too quickly deleted that particular file. So it's not shown here, but I did download it and we'll take a look at it now. Okay, let's open up that file I downloaded in my VS Code editor. As we scroll down, it's basically a cache version of the HTML file. This is all CSS that you see here. Let's scroll down. In fact, let's go a faster way. Let's just go to that file line number, and there it is. This is what the suspected file that the scanner read is malicious because it is a malicious code. Because I remember this when I wrote the blog. I gave an example malicious file and I posted it on the blog. Now let's take a look at the exact blog that I wrote. Fix a hacked WordPress website. As we scroll down, you should see the exact same script, malicious script that I embedded in my blog. And let's see, there it is, the exact same script that was in the cache version. That's why when someone was viewing this page, a cached version was placed in the cache folder, and doing a recent scan, it picked it up as malicious. Now that I deleted that suspected file from the cache folder, Let's do a rescan, and there should be a no or negative reading since the file was deleted. As you can see, after the scan was done, took a screenshot of the scan results. Everything across the board is checked satisfactory and no issues has been found. Now you want to verify if you have any malicious files on your website. On my blog, ironically the blog that was tagged has been malicious, I have a list of online website scanners that you can use to check your website to verify if you have any malicious files. Everyone needs to take any suspicious file seriously because you just never know how serious this it could affect your website. So before you assume that it is a false positive, you need to drill down, take a deep dive into your files and see what you have. The Wordfence scanner does an excellent job of detecting anything suspicious, so you must trust the results, and if you are still unsure, you may need to hire a developer, take a deeper look at your situation. And if this is a real malicious file, you will need to find out how it got there, whether it's a backdoor or some other ways that it was placed on your website. So thank you for watching, and may you have an excellent day or night wherever you are.